Welcome to the Open Science House of the Department of Zoology. Faculty of Science started its independent existence in March 1951 with Dr. C.S. Patel as its first dean. The old building which houses the Faculty of Science at present was completed in 1934. Since 1949, we started offering UG, PG and PhD in zoology and as a department it was established in 1951. Professor J.C. George was the founder head of the Department of Zoology, and I am Professor Dolly Kumar, presently heading this department. We have 11 permanent members and each faculty is interested in research and teaching both. In the last 5 years collectively, our department has received a grant of rupees 1.5 crores from various funding agencies, and the research in the department is from diverse fields, from taxonomy of animals to developmental biology, genomics to cellular and molecular neurosciences. And because of this research, and there is a unifying theme, and the theme is understanding animal diversity at its organism, cellular and molecular level. Teaching becomes powerful, as you all know, when the faculty is interested in research and teaching both. And number of students qualifying NET, GATE and other All India examinations also in the department is rising day by day because of the interest of the faculty as well as the student. In the last 5 years, department has produced 40 PhDs, and we have gold medals in the name of stalwart professors, Professor J.C. George, Professor R.V. Shah, Professor V.C. Shah and Professor Boni Pailo. So we give the gold medals also to our ranked students. Teaching in zoology, as you know, as a subject is not restricted to labs only. We take our students to fields also. We celebrate sports day. We have got wildlife week. We celebrate, we always go for the students are always going, undergraduate students especially are going for the census which is conducted by the Department of Forest. And all of you know that the museum of the Department of Zoology is the only museum which has got live models of eye, ear, brain, and then we are the only ones which are having piscivorous, herbivorous and carnivorous skulls. Nowhere else in the Department of Zoology lab has this. So this is our unique structure. The models, we have got stuffed animals. We've got stuffed animals, range of stuffed animals, we just put it, and many of them you will not believe are stuffed in the department itself. They were caught somewhere, they were handed over to us to some NGO sometimes or some other authorities, and they were cleaned by the department teachers, they were stuffed and then kept it in our museum specimen, and that is why I said museum is unique. And students are always motivated by the teachers to go to the field as well as go to the excursions. The excursions normally are taken to Okha, where we have sandy and rocky shores, and the beauty of Okha is we can show to the Department of Zoology students live animals. You can see live jellyfish, live sea anemone can be seen there. And the first year students also visit Kamati Bagh, the museum of the Kamati Bagh and the zoo. And you will be happy to know, the Barodians will be happy to know that at present the curator of the zoo, Dr. Pratyush, is also an alumnus of this department. His BSc, MSc and PhD degrees, all the 3 degrees he is having, and he is bringing major change in the zoo, and I request all to start visiting the zoo because they are also giving the virtual tours now. Our students make it to various institutes and organizations of international repute. TIFR, Wildlife Institute in Dehradun, Indian Institute of Science, Jay Research Foundation. They are also making it to the pharma companies like Zydus, Cadila, to name a few if I say. And BSc Zoology serves as a stepping stone for various career options like civil services, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, ISRO, and of course university and school teaching. There is a personal connect between teachers and students, I should say. The students are being motivated by the teachers for working very hard. They are made confident and independent in the department, and of course presently the lady professor is heading the department, So that brings a different flavor. Of course, wherever the women are, they bring different flavor to the department. And those who dream to become zoologists, I should say just joining the department and depending upon the BSc and MSc course is not enough. क्योंकि यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है। पूछा चिड़िया ने कैसे बनाया आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान, बार बार तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है। So with this, I welcome all of you to the Department of Zoology and the Science Exhibition. Thank you.